Okay, greetings everyone. Hello, my name is Diara Syapra Parinisa. So my student ID is 1010123400096. So today I will discussion about the IP Multimedia Subsystem IMS, Open 5G, and Cloud Computing. So the first topic is about the Open IMS core. So before that, what is IMS? IMS is a core-like open source implementation of the IP Multimedia Subsystem IMS and is standardized like architecture for delivering IP based on telecommunication service. Also, they are the main component of the architecture. The component on IMS, there are CSCV, call session set control function, and is divided to three types: proxy, serving, and integrating. The second one is HSS, home subscriber server, application server, media resource function, or we can collect controller and processor. The fourth one is BGCV controller, Breakaway Gateway Control Function, and MGCV Media Gateway Control Function or Media Gateway. And like how to open the IMS card that can support multimedia service. It can be like system signal management, user authentication, authorized service interoperability, and integration management, and either. So let's move to the next topic is about the Open 5G. So what is Open 5G? Open 5G for the general is like the open source initiative and a technology with the 5G ecosystem. Also, Open 5G, it can be like a network opens, like enables the interoperability of device from different vendor with a flexible modular architecture and it support in NVF and SDN. Also, it facilitates access to edge computing. And we can see that in the image of the Open 5G network is architecture illustrate the flow of the data throughout the network, and which is it can be open or we can search in the internet about the Open 5G network architecture illustration. Also, there are the impact of the Open 5G on the world of telecommunication. It can be like a profound impact on the realms telecommunication, also facilitating enhanced connectivity, optimized spectrum efficiency, and adding the digital sector. Moreover, Open 5G, it can be like spotify the environmentally consequence of infrastructure while the currently reducing energy consumption within the telecommunication industry. So that is for the Open 5G. So the third topic is about the cloud computing. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is like a technology that delivers computing service such as server, storage, database, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence over the internet or the cloud. So there are three main service model on the cloud computing. The first one is IaaS. IaaS is about infrastructure as a service. PaaS is platform as a service, and the third one is SaaS. SaaS is software as a service. So IaaS is like the infrastructure like a server, storage, and networking that user it can be managed the operating system, and it can be like lots of control but requires a technology skill. The second one is PaaS. PaaS it can be like a ready-to-use platform with operating system, database, and tools so each developer can build and launch up without managing server. And for the flexibility, less control over infrastructure but easier app management. And the last one is SaaS, is software as a service. It can be like complete a software apps over the internet. User is simply access and use the software and provider handles everything else. So the flexibility is the minimal control but very easy to use. And for the summary, it can be like ISS is for the controllers, infrastructure, PaaS is tools for building apps, and SaaS is ready-made to apps. So that's it about the main model of the cloud company. Also, they are the main feature of in the three service model for the ISS. The main feature is to provide basic virtual resource like a server, storage, and network. And for the example, it can be like a Google Computer Engineer, like virtual machine on Google Cloud. Also for the PaaS platform as a service, the main feature is like and we provide an environment for building, testing, and launching for apps. For the example, it can be like Google App Engine 2, Heroku, and Azure App Service. Also, the last one is SaaS. The main feature of SaaS is can be ready to use software apps over the internet. Also, the example, it can be like Google Workspace, apps like Gmail and Docs for collaboration. So for the summary, the ISS, it can be like infrastructure building blocks. For PaaS, it can be platform for app development. And SaaS, it can ready to use for software apps. So that it can be like possible that this is the final contribution that I can make. So I express my gratitude and my hope that my presentation and discussion will prove useful or contribute to our collective knowledge. Thank you.